All right, so some big winds have changed. They kind of started yesterday. You maybe felt a breezy Sunday, and now it's a windy night tonight. Let's head outside and show you the hill. We've got Old Glory and our Texas state flag moving in that Gulf wind right now, so humidity has been picking up. Temperature 72, which is still above the average high this time of year. Southeast winds right now at about 20 miles per hour. I'm going to say this, they'll be doubling by tomorrow. Yeah, we're expecting winds between 30 and 40 miles per hour on Tuesday. A red flag warning in effect. First, temperatures today, they were cooler than over the weekend. Saturday, we hit 84, Sunday, 83. Today, 79. A pair of 86s down I-35, 82 Eagle Pass. Del Rio hit 81, so did New Braunfels. Seguin 82. Warm and breezy because of two reasons. We've got the warm front moved across the state, and then also this good Gulf fetch is moistening things up. And whenever these lows cross the four corners and get east of the Rockies, the Gulf is open and it just starts feeding into these areas of low pressure. So out ahead of this Pacific front, the winds are definitely picking up and a few showers could develop mainly overnight into tomorrow morning. The best line looking between 5 and 6 a.m. It is brief. It moves through quickly. And then we're off to a sunny afternoon up into the 70s, but a very, very windy day tomorrow. Now, the thunderstorms, they're going to probably come together farther north. That's where the energy is going to be, and it's going to be North Texas between 4 and 6 a.m. We're going to be on the tail end of it, but it's there that we've got a 2 to 3 out of 5 risk of seeing isolated tornadoes, winds in excess of 60, and even quarter or larger sized hail. For us, it's about the winds. I mean, we might get a few of those showers, but that'll even be short-lived. And then look at this. By 7, 8 a.m., 25 to 30 miles per hour. By noon tomorrow, 40 to 50 mile per hour winds out of the west. So remember, a tropical storm is 39 miles per hour. We're looking 53 at Del Rio, 50 Uvalde, 41 here, and could be going up tomorrow afternoon. Here's 3 o'clock, 46 to 50. Between San Antonio, Pleasanton, and New Braunfels. Very windy means we've got a weather impact alert for tomorrow. On these gusty winds and low humidity, you've got to avoid burning. Watch what happens. These mid-60-degree dew points go down to the teens tomorrow afternoon. That's why there's a red flag warning in effect from 8 a.m. tomorrow to 9 p.m. tomorrow night. So the 14-day forecast begins with that weather impact alert for tomorrow's winds, 77 and sunny. Rain chance only 20 to 30% overnight, that one passing line of showers. Then it's still windy on Wednesday. It's just going to be winds out of the north at 20, and then Thursday out of the south and southeast by 20. So breezy days for sure Wednesday, Thursday, but very windy tomorrow. Then on Friday, clouds are going to start stacking back up out ahead of a front with an isolated chance of rain. But that weekend does look good for the 8th and 9th. Not bad at all. It's just too bad we're going to have one less hour of it. Yeah, we spring ahead. Time change weekend, my friend.